Hey, Todd Smith with Keller Williams and the Smith team. I'm here at 4856 Larson Road in Shoreview, Minnesota. This is a phenomenal location. Close to Minneapolis and St. Paul, easy access to the freeway, and not only that, just a phenomenal community. Close to Turtle Lake Beach and the park, as well as walking distance to Shoreview Community Center, and in the top rated schools of Mounds View School District. Walk to Chippewa Middle School and be part of the community. Let's check it out. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is just over 2,300 finished square feet. 4 levels to use for you and your family. We've got an upper level living room, lower level family room, and tons of space to entertain. The prime location of Shoreview offers this over half an acre lot. This is an absolute backyard oasis for you and your family to have fun. Have the kids run, the pets run. Heck, you can play baseball or football in this backyard. For more information on this great home, call us, email us, text us, because this house is not going to last long.